In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Google Meet. Whether you're using it for work meetings or catching up with friends, knowing how to properly sign out is crucial for maintaining your privacy. Let's dive right into it. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you usually use. Once you're on your browser, head over to the Google homepage. This page is your central hub for accessing various Google services, including Google Meet. It's important to make sure you're on the official Google website to ensure your credentials are safe. Now, once you're on the homepage, you'll want to look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile picture or your initial within a circle. This icon indicates that you are currently signed in with your Google account. Go ahead and click on this icon. After clicking your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu displays some basic information about your account, like your name and email address. You should also see several options here, such as Manage Your Google Account and Add Account. What you want to do is look for the Sign Out button in this drop-down menu. Clicking this will begin the sign out process. Upon selecting the Sign Out button, your browser will redirect you to a new page, confirming that you've been successfully signed out of your Google account. You'll know you were successful if you see a screen prompting you to re-enter your credentials if you wish to log back in. Once you've confirmed you've been logged out, it's a good idea to close your browser window, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. This ensures that no one else can access your account inadvertently. And there you have it, you've successfully signed out of Google Meet. As a quick tip, if you're using multiple Google accounts, make sure to repeat the sign-out process for each one. It's a small step that provides an added layer of security, particularly if different accounts are used for varying purposes like work or personal content. Remember, it's always a good practice to sign out of any application when you're done using it, especially in shared environments. This not only protects your private information, but also helps keep your account settings secure. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on how to efficiently use digital tools. Thanks for watching.